The Snapchat error code C14B usually means there is a temporary connection or login issue, often caused by server problems, app bugs, or network issues on your device. Here is how to fix it step by step on Android. First, restart your phone to refresh your device's connection and clear any temporary system glitches. Then switch your internet. If you are on Wi-Fi, try using mobile data or vice versa. Next, go to the Google Play Store and check if there is a Snapchat update available. If so, update it. Outdated versions can cause login and error issues like C14B. Now go to Settings, then Apps, App Management or Manage Apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. This will not delete any of your data but can fix temporary app errors. If the issue continues, you can also try Clear Data, which will log you out. So make sure you know your login details before doing this. If you are using a VPN, turn it off, as Snapchat may block logins from certain IP addresses. Still stuck? Uninstall and reinstall Snapchat from the Play Store. This gives you a clean installation with all the latest fixes. Lastly, check if Snapchat servers are down at downdetector.com. If many users are reporting issues, it's likely a server-side problem, and you'll need to wait for Snapchat to fix it. That's it. These steps should fix the C14B error and get you back into Snapchat. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.